Okay, let me give it to you straight. Through the first half of 2026, we closed only 19 market rate closings across the entire northern half of Florida combined, compared to 45 closings through that same period last year. That's down 58%. Now, as you can see here, dollar volume fell even harder from about 975 million during the same period last year to only 231 million, which is off about 76%. Now, I want to make sure you hear that. That's for every single market shaded in blue, which is the entire northern half of Florida. January 1st through June 30th, only 19 market rate closings. Okay, so what's going on? Well, this isn't really just a North Florida story. It comes down to the cost of money. Most deals are financed off the 5-year treasury in this business, and it's sitting around 4.3% right now. That's up from the high threes earlier in the year. And a lot of this has been pushed higher by the tensions in the Middle East. Now, obviously, when the 5-year climbs, loan rates increase with it. And of course, the gap between what the buyers are willing to pay and what the sellers will accept kind of freezes the market. But here's what I think you should hear. This is just a pause. This is not a collapse. Values have not cratered at all. And over the next few videos, I'll show you what assets are actually selling, which assets are holding their price, and of course, where the opportunity is right now. Because even in a slow market, the right asset is still trading. All right, guys, stick around. See you next week.